Arena ama chasene Milan Adenia ye kan say vibe efofo ana kwa na twi wo so ama chene mu no report am say kan say no Okafo enso abeya out our bro no enso na game I was baso na Jaminya na no plan say na no match baso anu achi na no ye cup game na Copa Italia baso our Italy aye Genoa ene bobakua ye fan say Sampdoria omuyare na boy and na me no ka say omumie no obia anya asotwe dientia wo so anya asotwe ene say wo match baso na aye derby esase the moment wo beti say bia Genoa enso ane Sampdoria ebo game no ya ne no aye derby match wo se ntokwe si ya bra wo ko ye ama chese bimo enso apropri ama chese wo mu pride ne jam say kan say ebi aye police for now police for popo wo aba stadium say one omo be protecting life and property na so mutumi ko enso ade for aye police for bimo enso apropri na chese entwa ye jam say kan say eni po mu prayer enom aye na no aye Wednesday enso aye mako 48 out of aye 48 wo mo so pride no emu mako 36 omo aye police for o dia wa kan kranti etwaye nipa 48 April ama chese mu 36 aye police wa ene o chena o ba wan ene ma bo ho ban ama diamensa kan so FIGC enom aye federazione Italiano Giorgio Calcio empanfo no wo mo sam amontena ho emanyo ma bia tise no so asibiem enti diamensa kan nyina no say bobo kwa no say Genoa wo manya 2 game ban enom aye ban closed doors and watch Sampdoria and some anya 2 game ban and no some ban closed doors Genoa de na chance here one game against aye Juve report am say kan say no aye match aye empty stadium and sa game no and no abakoso and watch Genoa second game and no some ban closed doors no one Bologna and ababo and no some ban closed doors no aye 2 game ban stadium and no ban closed doors Genoa for no one some anya Syria bina Sampdoria and some Anastabia and what Mantova Ninano and some Dennis aye 2 home matches our Sampdoria and our supporters no and master na juba kono say yes wo mo kokun tokwa wo mo all dress am nam some am police for makuma 36 ekoprai no yes wo mo chini pam yensa na nipa na wo mo chemi yensa no emu mianum support Olympic Marseille and yes no be a Marseille our France we aye Copa Italia and abas what there wo mo so mo no January for no e wo twaka na omo beto so mo bepie so and omo se dabi ye nhwa ma mo mpo ye nkrofo santi nipa me yensa wo mo chi wo mo na emu mienu and some have joined aye ultra group at the Mababo Kwafan Sam Marseille and some our French league no man nyina no and some update aba honsam no yet Emma yet for another pay and some our show no so kwatana ye fan Dujan Vlahovic to baby Emma mo yesan come so mo jane kwana no yamba say aye Antonio Cassano nom and e cha so mo maka nyina criticize wo mo tiri e ba sa Vlahovic wo mere toto wo de Lukaku mo wani mo bra o mo dia hoden na bobo na teminya no so wura na ye fan say Cristiano Green Tolly wonom an sporting director at the Juve wo mo kran come on o mo no bari decide ya ba we be extended a contract ama bobo Kwafan say Juve akwadanum ani baby akọ entimu amoya an ana wo mere ana ni mo nya de ana chas what ya gomota bia no wo ka amomaso what say Dusan Vlahovic ayobi enei wo mo som abasa boy no we extended a contract ama bobo kuwa ye fan sanum aye Juve ade ba ko no say ani ya person dey wo mantimi anhwa ma akwadan na ye fan Riccardo Calafiori and stay our Italy na kwabasa boy no and some Premier League monum say transfer market be here me de betu just na Juve abaso mo send akwadan every Bologna in fact and the former coach na ye fan Thiago Motta ono anana kwabaso de akwadan na ye fan say Calafiori abana anya ye and some owura fan say Green Tolly say Juve for santimi an campaign no enya Juve enkwa na luzio Denta Liga and Serie A omo nyina no and some na luzu quality bi and some other koda nyame ya no mochena anwumre ana big game ebaso na big game our Germany amanfo say we ana betre say bia ba munchin our form ana say bia Leverkusen enso abeto aso age na ba munchin our alliance aye arena no nyame ya no mochena omne Leverkusen ana ball na Demensa kan say coach na ye fan Xabi Alonso ono ana oye manager ma ba munchin ana say boboku a ye fan say Leverkusen ana player why the Premier Conference na ansana Alonso abane dia no na manager fan say Vincent Company wonom adi kan ne dia na wie na mom Alonso say you want to just nenkoda no oso obia ye fit obia aba na de obeso kan sa aye Ezekiel Palacios ono ana bia chese ono so obetimi start kra we ye fit our bra koda no enso obetimi start ochena match no na omubusa Alonso say wo ho ba mu chimbo bokuo no say ana wo so obetimi akasa bia we ana probably about the hardest game a chese boboku a ye fan say Leverkusen enso abon season we wo so obetimi akasa bia match when e match emu abayire se benta emu be dem papa ezanzana was born about mu se ban fochiwa aye 7 and 9 and 5 asem ne yakano ento tiri e ba se match ba ko nei awasem amomo mani ko pa no enso aye match na coach ne say Leverkusen betimi ahye ba mu nchen e wa we dia on be here more than a perfect game wontimi fa match bi akeka na sa onkobobo bi akeka fa nkonkowini e just Leverkusen team no womunya perfect game and sana womusom atimi ahye Bavarians nyame ya doma enom ayotena yam brand opposite number enom aye Vincent Company oru fa no say company so say manono ya no odaso aye training manono ya training kamana mom omunya take final decisions anya bia no wotena noya ebebo anase bia manono ya enso anya available na mom omuhwenem so wotena no womusom obetimi apeke aye the best team adama ba mu chembo boku no na yebisa company say wotena only Leverkusen defending champions and elbow was said your best work kan nyina no say amanfo say I ebia we and about the real test ama ono manager na ye fan say company na so nyina chi ono didi e ba say match we a important game ama bain adan was say omone the best team and I just say elbow because we share aye the last aye 12 months aye Leverkusen and dominate Germany and tenam obetumi classify almost say when we are the best team within a year 12 months any intineno on did about say game and no shepa na yenti oran our brand when we game against Leverkusen saying and abamuchin akwa match mu.
It is a home game and it is a game that obviously everybody. I heard someone said that it was in July already they had to stop the sales of tickets. It was something like more than 300,000 people already registering to come and watch this game. Question about change or not change, I think the goal for Bayern should always be to impose our game, and if a team is able to deny us from doing that, then well done to that team. It's still possible for us to try and win the game. I can go back to the years and the experiences I've had when I played against Bayern München, and I've mentioned it before, but we played with extremely good players, extremely good attacking players against Bayern Munich and extremely good defenders, and we had every threat that we could have, and yet we didn't feel like we could have the ball, and we didn't feel like it was easy to regain the ball. So what I'm trying to say is the image I have of Bayern is not necessarily that there is a compromise to be made on whether you press or not, or whether you play or not. You know, you want to be dominant as much as you can, and sometimes teams can force you into a situation in one game, but in the end the mindset and the spirit of our team should always be to try and be dominant in every phase we can. So it's just to answer the question about change or not change. I think the goal for Bayern should always be to impose our game, and if a team is able to
yes, any me that say, and no, I am manager fan side company now. Test what then is about to question. I am very simple. The can't say, what say I a big game, but much in a match in our fear, and I bet somewhere some few months ago, nipa over best as 300,000 obia. Woman so protect it in the Atosansa. Among phones a game and no bear ship, Panamum, Wabra, what is all Yan was say, and you'll be a sub Bamunch and Shaliva Kusina. One must is almost style of play, and also almost a no. ne nyina no so ono wabobɔ no bi pen wabobɔ atia ba mo nkyena wabra saa time team a wobɔ no mo possess ball na mom sɛ wo hia ba mo nkyena wo sɛ wo jai possession Emma brain ɛno yɛ adeɛ baako anei also mo de kom awɔ saa match na mom ne nyina no sɛ wobɛtumi ba mo nkyen but wobɛhia team bi na on the night no team no ɛkyerɛ wo pa ntini kwa so kwɛ so ana bi a chinchina atwa na me bɔ no me nsesa me nsa no me bɔ no sɛ dem si bɔ no na basa na wɔn hwɛ adeɛ ni ani ana bɛ nti nei ɛbɛtumi aba sɛ bi ɔkyena Leverkusen abɛ force ama ba mo nkyen team no wɔn bɛ defend anaasɛ bi ba mo nkyen ɛnso abɛma ɔmo supremacy ɛnso awɔ so ɛwɔ match no ɛwɔ abra ne nyina no yɛ asɛm a coach no ɛnso ade to dwana no pɛ no yɛde ɛma yɛte ɛwɔ show no so afei ma me mfa ntoɔ no sɛ weekend so yɛwɔ matches ɛwɔ Premier League no mu na manager fa no sɛ Eddie Howe ɔno ana ɔyɛ coach ama Newcastle na Newcastle manager no say nyame yɛ adom ɔkyena ɔnye ni sɛ bi ɔmo ma prapra no ebi so abɛre cover abɛbɔ game a wɔn ne Man City ɛbɔ na Isaac ɛdeɛ no on Alexander Isaac amanfoɔ say wɔyɛ out of ɔkyena game a wɔso ɔmo so bɔ na manager fa no sɛ Eddie Howe ɔno wɔ say ɔkyena no wɔn ntumi nka sɛ bi abɔ no ɛbɛbɔ anaasɛ bi ɔmo sanso ɔbɛtumi aka no sɛ akɔda no wɔyɛ doubtful ɛde mo ɔkyena match a ɛno nso ɛbɛkɔ so na deɛ ɔka no nyina no sɛ boy no anya ntroni yɛ nti wɔn bɛtwɛn ama boy no nso atroni ansa na wɔn atake decision ɛwɔ akɔdan no a yɛfa no sɛ Isaac nso ɛwɔ aborɔ mo ɛne Man City ɛna boy na no kasɛn no wɔbi yɛ nim sɛ player yɛfa no sɛ Rodri ɛyɛ out of that game nti wɔn bi sɛ deɛ sɛ Rodri ɛyɛ out ɔmo Man City match no bia ɛno nkyɛn sɛ bia Man City ɛbɛlusi wɔso hwɛ Man City ɔmo team no a wɔn bɛtumi afɔm different 11 ɛne wabɔ ɛde ahyɛ ɛne sɛ akɔna ne mfa no sɛ Rodri ɛyɛ out a ɛnom ɛnkyɛn sɛ bia abɔbɔ kuru a yɛfa no sɛ Newcastle ɛkɔ akɔhyɛ ɛnom ayɛ asɛm a manager no ɛnso ɛde to dwa Manchester fɔ no nie na medical de nsɛm pii ɛde ama wo mama managers a Man U fɔ no ahyɛ ase a wɔn no wɔn ɛkasa sie ɛnɛ latest a menya no sɛ nipa no sɛ ɛyɛ matter of time sɛ deɛ ba adeɛ a wɔn say ɛyɛ matter of time sɛ manager no a yɛfa no Erik ten Hag no wɔn ɛbɛsake no ɛnura mɛka kyerɛw sɛ mpanimfoɔ no bi wɔ gyina kora sɛ bi a na bronya anto no ɛnam no ka sɛ deɛ menya no nyina no sɛ yɛsɛ Man U for wɔn yɛ very active ɛnso ɛwɔ abɔnten a wɔn nso ɛpɛ replacement ɛde ama coach no ɛfa no sɛ Ten Hag kɛse nso wɔn gyina ɛba asate no hwɛ nya adeɛ sɛ ɛbɛsesa ɛyɛ si a na ɛbɛkɔ so sɛ nam no ka sɛ amanfoɔ sɛ ayi ana Manchester team no yɛ from 11 adaya Man U toss 11 our Europa League no mu Man U toss 11 and some our Premier League no mu and no ma dan 11 okay sa can regid new brand 11 how me say ma bi so ton go be e water kwani tagwade important mo yɛ fan 11 am no kasa no me say I Man U for ni e ti hwe sisande a ɛne I was kwan bia so wura no wo mo so na gya ne kwama no kwantidi menya no ɛne so wura fan say Joshua Zagzi wonom ɛyɛ one okay sa me bɛka sɛ wo mo so ɛde agu wono ɛne Manuel Ugarte ɛso yɛ say manager ne sɛ awodiri sɛ ɛyɛ den akwada na fan say Zagzi no Manchester ɛbɛboa na ma akwada no ɛnso ababa Slovenia yɛ kan sɛ problems amu face ɛnso ɛwɔ goal scoring emerson no pay me de betu dwa sɛ problem no ɛnso ɛyɛ goal sha ɛnso manager no wɔgyiri sɛ akwada na fan say Zagzi ɛnso ɛbɛtumi asolve ɛnso ama Man U bobo ko no coach ne so ɔbɛsrɛ munya botrema no na de ɔbɛso kan nyina sɛ ebiam wasasi so wɔse Manchester adwuma no ɛyɛ work in progress. Nas ayen kakran munya botrema no wohia patience and some idea free mo our bro run say I work in progress and nam no kase no no say munya botrema from a coach no yinti Erik ten Hag.
I think you have to assess the situation and still now we are working and we are in progress. We have to sign players. We made the choice to sign very young players, like last year Holland, like this year Sirkzee, like Lenny Yoro. That are players who have we believe in them now in this moment, but also for the future, and we have to build them. And and when I started, we spoke about more, and we had to make a switch there in the dressing room. And I think we turned the corner, and now we have to work with the squad, and that takes time. And of course, I'm also. It's not a good behavior for me. I'm impatient. I want to go straight forward, but I'll also be.
Yes, now just say man, you supporters, my manager, and say Munya, but from an hour, Bramo, your work in progress. Our brain, what compare no, the about to just my titles, me, no, and your man, you are just an and also of course, so many fans, Mikel Arteta, a bonjour time local, I 1:30, and I just and a pray Leicester City, I press conference. I was saying no, and some about Jamaican say Anthony Gordon, our born bomb Bobokua, your fans and Newcastle, medical about to Jamaica Chamsa, one of Bobokone Casa said a bear, Wabest 10 a contract, I'm a Newcastle, so no Casino, Liverpool and Yakran, Jamaican say Arsenal, Abaswomofa, and watch House of Enra Debanino, not German second, say Liverpool, Quatana, your fans say Florent Vet, or no, and some be Arsenal, Abaswomofan at there. Yes, Arsenal for say, will be up. Quadano Bobo Crafers are buying up and watch Real Madrid up your money at the already Dominano. Woman can sound the identity. Arsenal strategy and you almost say Sa Anka Ebia Alonso and an Empanifono. One better Yama January Aquadana bar 150 million pounds in a asking price at Aquadana Sono and Kanyama January. One better upfront 70%. Now come on Aquadana bar because I'm train I'm a summer draw. I'm said do no near bad panty and yan come up and san cabia January nan cabia Quadano woman some amana banan cabia 150 million pounds no woman 70% upfront and so at Yama Timono afay I'm said Mikel Arteta well yes sana dressa said the minion say Victor Gyökeres abayobia I'm saying afay many Janison no Aquadano also my dinner because the brand is show goes and you say by fluke no I was Aquadano's aba and I update by Liverpool coach no I Anna Slot or no Anna Luis Diaz and some put about so on your fan a pre-match am I now so Luis Diaz says yeah as a coach many Janaba from day one and no more beyond Sompa or spectacular and no I wear Dakwadano and some other describing a manager no not just a manager anima Jumapa now I'm not on Sudia Mabeka on a Real Madrid I'm monitoring at the actual way I Trent Alexander-Arnold yes a brightness and a priority I saw best sign a contract I'm a Liverpool just have you only Liverpool from Comodiano and to me Anya Juma dia and on Abenaji said you're looking elsewhere and then some I update about Chelsea. Yes, almost still a similar goalkeeper now. Your fan is a Mike Mignon. Yami Adama next summer on the South Kobumesan say, Womukoi. Number one Bomukoi Kobasa, Bobo fans a similar demand day 80 million euros. I know, and a putty Chelsea off. I mean, Namsua. Womusum Ansan Kobium, I mean, Nano Breno. Yes, Womunya on the South Kobium. Mammy Johnson Marino Corini, and 2-1. And then Century Bakukobisa just Zopani. Bafo Frano. Supporters no budget so pow. Nanso na man for expectation was through. What about 11 matches? 11 matches no expectation no. I said don't demo below. Was just a same Kasate said yeah. We'll lose 9 matches out of 11. Aya Bakudabi, Mianupa, I know my lose ye. Well, on my yajana swing that you know in Abakokama, Udia Tianuya Josie, Edmonds and Trenino.
So it's been 11 official games so far, and when we look at the performance of the team, in most of the matches, the performance of the team was below the expectations. When you first came here, the fans had high hopes about you, but till now the team couldn't meet the expectations because the team have some difficulties in defense. The team makes a lot of individual mistakes in defense, and the team lets the opponent make a lot of shots. So when will the team be doing all the things that you want 100%?
Good that we lost only 1 match. 2. 1 in Lille and 1 against Galatasaray. Because the way you speak, it looks like we lost 9 out of 10. I agree in some points. I agree that we have to improve, and that's what we do every day. We work to try to improve. That's what we do.
Yes, and no, I can't free manager. Fanny said, just as well, at the boss, so Casari said, yes, you're losing 9 matches out of a year 11 amateurs, and you know, and some update about fair boss painer. My main front one said, Yamian, my weekend tea, and a Madrid derby, no, and no, I was so shocked, my Real Madrid and normal training session, and no, and so consummates Antonio Pintus, and my boys starting free gym. Woman free gym and normal TC patch, and so mania, you can say ball movement, and what it, woman, you near can say possession, a fay, a your ball control, and I just some ball, a your ball out, and it's a more process, Sanyo Manino, Real Madrid be and running on your preparation. Woman, you are quality and some amatinimo. Now, sitting on the pen, I make some natural say. Many Jeffan said Diego Simeone Enra were winning the match. Arian was her Yamiama Sante match now. Omobo Civitas, Madrid, and your rival. Omono, one moment to pay, and FC Barcelona. Woman of Barcelona April League, and I remember that Toya Banareba Kauna, where you plan a remember Massa, woman came out for Okra, woman rival, and the Barca, a whole, and all my tension, and so I want now Jaminian Sapliana Enra, one of the winning go I fanasa Julian Alvarez. I could only say Enra win Ebabuamo Papa. Now I am very important. I'm a team lesson, sir. Nyamiya my weekend to Omobo Madrid derby. Woman Yahweh, and you can say what can MOB a can be beach show. Now Real Madrid TV, we must start on my DNBM. Ya Panti referee, nobody can't do about 2 TV so mistakes. Why young Kuano de Barcelona Ube di match na at the pressure about also. Na don't want to say referee no about Nyamiya by Sunday game no. What's up, brutal? You found Matteo Busquets. I'm so free here. Now I why no normally match amana. One of the Ababetu game no. Now German second say and some other Japan in also say we run our Bobo Crab fans Real Madrid and Eduardo Camavinga and some Natron in Echo Kama. Ama yes manager person can be on by but I'm person by Russia boy no. And to the American can say bet me about say or run our match day squad. I bet me about say or come on to me more bonny be and the film at the Bonsa woman ya so twe UEFA say woman ko bo na ko match no woman supporters akwaye ni ama wonsem ama sa racist aye chant and sanyo man ko so 81 ama find Bonsa 10,000 euros. I know I one and I fell 2. The next European away game Abasa Bekobiano woman to me I will take it. I'm a macra Emma Bansa. I will supporters and Kobe and your punishment. Woman Adama Timono Bansa so called Pamplona and I weekend do us as soon as for some hard jumpa. Now Yaba Studios and a per shack from me. Nam almost started Omutron, you know, Jamaican Cancer Rafinha and the Mark Casado, Omoya specific work and what Jim. And what it, a momaka ikawa dregasanum, and some anya chance and a first team, and some air training our bra culture. Your fancy flake as a man could be quine. Woman and a senior team air training. Now, Jamaican can say, and yes, a bass of a transfer market anymore. So, Kobasabia January, a crab at Daho, Nasabia home, Kakria Bisabia, Bassa bet me out to striker. Woman, some other striker, Ababa, and yes, Anna Sabia Pussy, at your court nasty summer. Woman, some other striker. One more and some at the Baba, Rafinha, and then the Mountain Bunty. Afraid you'll be an uncommon so more tonum. Jaminian say, one more somewhere standard by the contract at the court 2017. Rafinha, a real definition of a ring task war. Could I almost say, over Saudi Arabia was a man, come on, over Saudi Arabia, no shit to know US no more princess and by my over Saudi was baby. One of the body ship goes, Adama Basa, Commono, and so by your Pamano, Casomba say, one more some standard by no, and I'm never to just say, Macandra test taken, a planning. I'm about to register Danny Olmo January. No matter register Voice Destiny and no some I buy a bar. Jaminian says a leg test. I want to say yes, a Barca I'm such chance. I'm a UEFA Champions League, you know. Woman, I better register goalkeeper now. Your fan say Destiny. I'm a boy, no. And so to me about Champions League. Give me no mom. What you can about 2 that 3 days ago. Barca Lewandowski and a far phone F1 catches Abama. Testegen a pro na Obaba. I don't catch a massa. Me return na me tif you know. Me ye very okay pa. Me ye okay. When you say move the me betna bench the ama mentra baby na me nyama home yo. Wonom Oma Bossa say, or betana bench, and no crowd a warning, and I say caution. I just in the Eddie Candia Momotata. Yeah, when him say be otena, ne medical Bassabia, and me monastic Monday. Woman some I natural, Ninano, and some I know my was a basso, I want some no, yet the Emma yet for an anopay, and some our Shonus Anthony Joshua, Jamesa Canasa, His Excellency. Turkey bin Abdul Mozen Al Sheikh. What yes, I was a rematch. Ebaso, yes, a boxer, Sibianus Massa Joshua. Here, I better that cow, yes, and Yambazambia, remember this catching me a moment because round 1, your bomb officer take canvas. What's your round 3, round 4, round 5, brother? Huh? Your bow poo, no, I sure, no, I saw not only him. So, what's our cocumbium? Mike, now be I find here.
Into obedience, I know who the other way. Number of question, Bibi Sao. Minima, dear, so obey me, and one mamma, a puzzle. A puzzle. Now there's a puzzle. Me wo a girlfriends me no. A Drew and a pa.
A Mikey
made a year as a make
okay.
No girlfriends me no. A Drew and a pa me fibako. A do a numra. Me fe ba konti hu die na me done pa
onno mu bia
tie ni me wo girlfriends me no edru anopa me fe ba
Sompa sport
edru enwumra me fe ba kon enti die na me done pa
ana za na dwede no
adentia
na o de kan won she how many more
waiting
sir
yeah.
And so no mubia.
O say
no mubia.
May you are no later. She with you.
Masa unti me sa na fa huni na unko.
No, it's a puzzle.
Puzzle.
I know baby sound answer.
Minim.
Edru no pa, me say ba ko edru enwumra me say.
Enti mansa ne enko ye
ni. Na me done pa.
Em ze fufuo.
Na kwani.
Then I'll pull me legs out of
who so question now be saying about why the best striker in the last 10 years from 2014 to 2024.
Yes,
I didn't say straight up. Me who Suarez was a striker. I see Suarez more as a forward or your attacker casting that mode, and then they are combining in yes where you striker where you near Kafra. Suarez does not cut for a typical striker. Then why be on number then by Lewandowski, Benzema,
and Harry Kane.
Benzema they made in a frame.
Are they
on count? Last 10 years, I don't think I'll rate him.
Okay.
He had a good period, no winning Ballon d'Or. But if you are looking for a 10-year period, now who ye dear or no boy Juma as a striker, fancy clearly, I don't think it will be befitting to classify Benzema as the best striker in the last decade. It will not be proper to do that. Unqualified for that. He had a good spell at a certain point in time. The performance the Ballon d'Or win. But we are no free man. For that 10-year period, what is the level of consistency Benzema produce here? You require from strikers. I bet me at JDS say, okay, then pair the numbers that Benzema produces because strikers it goes with numbers. Ejuma no mo ye no. Ye ma me dribbles. Ye me true passes. Strikers are high-end productive. And your goals near behwe. So for a 10-year stretch, the number of goals Benzema produced at that level, or the measure as to almost what's our bracket anymore, then we can make a good case as to whether it befits the Benzema Beko and I am fanning. But I think overall as a playmaker, he deserves to be there because there were times where he doubled up with the roles, striking and then playmaking. And to open overall as a forwarder, then you consider Benzema. But typically as a striker, definitely I was always excusing from this list. And to my drop it too, it leaves me with Harry Kane and then Robert Lewandowski. But for Kane, any do here was Spurs. If there was a legacy moment and a crowning moment, and come the Bemano. But I think in all this, the honor distinguishing who ye are when you enough legacy moments to also be in this conversation. Robert Lewandowski, European Golden Shoes 2 times. He was dominant at a period when Dodo na GDC and Ballon d'Or and Manana for strange reasons. The Anya award ceremony in the crowd, so there was nobody crowned for that particular year. He's actually a striker who has lived up to the mark in the era where the typical old-fashioned striker no trim but open power stay true and true to that. Robert Lewandowski, you need any perfect embodiment of a striker in the modern game than this guy. Ebi at the end, all my year Kaiser at the end also Erling Haaland. But in a 10-year period, Erling Haaland cannot be in the conversation. In a 10-year period, Lewandowski will be over Harry Kane. And that is why I think if you are looking for the best striker, I'm repeating, the best striker in the last 10 years, I would have to give it to Robert Lewandowski. The rest, they combine other rules into a more striking way, and to me, unity MP. So I will give it to him.
Obisa question now, we now Bisa man, I'm say, also on the OGDS by say 10 Hag, and I say 11-11.
Question maybe say and fab. Me say two girlfriends. Two girlfriends. A drew anopa a via me fe ba ko ma and a drew nyumbre so a me fe ba ko enti there na hwa me do no
tie hwan
me yiwa no e dey be wi so na me yiwa no fancy yen rem na yen din komo now say commotion course between Genoa and Sampdoria. Your chase supporters ni bi na myself for fra.
Yeah, what about Italy?
Okay, and you're surprising.
Okay.
So, Ufri Genoa, call a Marseille, who use speed train, almost has speed trains, Nibia. Obedrun Temejo will be free high quackra.
Whoa.
Yeah. 400 kilometers. Mm-hmm. With a speed train, it will get you there in less than 3 hours. And commuting from Marseille to Genoa, and yet idea a burdensome. But enya no nkwan no mutu kwan ba. There is a history. And the history started way back in 1987.
Okay.
Good. In 1987, typical of football fans in Europe, omo try say omo beye sejourn and omo to kwan. No mako different cities akɔhwɛ kwan omo fa so omo support no. No omo sua bidia abeka omo de no ho. So the culture of fandom and edidi mu ayabenya several ultra groups no. Say we want to learn from the best practices ebema yeni adwumedi ayedi as etitafo no apeja asin bia ultra a Greek word, it means extreme. Nessa was supported 90%. The typical ultra will give you 180% into omomo ye nioma sebe ebro adwene nti aseswa eye abodam te se kwa kese de ni crazy. Exactly the point. Enti eye akwento ni mu bia ana ye wo Marseille omo ultra group BFN the Ultra Commandos 1984. Enti omo throw with initials UC84. Omo no mutu kwan ko Genoa. Na Sampdoria. Omo ni Roma ebo. So they wanted to go and monitor the Ultra Tito. Sampdoria for Ultras near from the
Sompa
Ultra
Sports.
Tito. Yet omo 1969.
Okay.
So no person omo kohwe Ultra Tito for no kwan omo faso and so omo support no metime so bibi free. Now when they went Sani omusinya nkita hodie ni omudi nkomo no. They grew very close. No, yes, Sadia will be frequenting visit from Marseille to Genoa to support you. Most munya kwaina, most mumra. Na mombe support here. Ana ebeye anyonkofa. I lasted from 1987 Aedeba. Even in 1993, in the Champions League final, Obekaya, AC Milan and Marseille went to the final. Marseille winning by a goal to 0. And now be the Pele Mobobino. Good. Marseille winning game. Now the game was played in May 1993. In October, Sampdoria hosted AC Milan in a league game of the Ultra Titos Neton Safre Ultra AS UC84 and Semomra. Na yansrin for na mo show more Champions League final.
Wow.
So there was a special fan a year combo. So omo kabum no omo di AC Milan any. Park and truly they beat AC Milan by 3-2. It was a very talented Sampdoria team, including former Inter Milan, former Italy manager Roberto Mancini, no Kahobi, and then Ruud Gullit. No support Sampdoria team nisa. So clearly, omenya sanya nkufana editi mwa diakonenim. Even in 2013, there was also a meeting to commemorate 1993 in Shimudia.
Okay.
And another match between Marseille and Sampdoria. And our two fans in Abekabo Moa, they displayed banners near the made the way be to fold and him. Shara Kenshe, Mayano Amity 1, Amity 2, and then I think Amity 3. Or the Beatoswa, I will explain for you. I'll keep that illustration.
Okay, so
this amity. Amity is a French word. It means friendship.
Okay.
Good. There was a monkey be tikon krano. And here the UC another ultra commandos or free Marseille.
Myself.
And an ultra tito for ne nipa bi aniti daswa. A scarf be so egonikomo. And to where one amity. So between the two, there is that friendship. And found boboku almost supporting. And found location almost free. The moment one of them is engaged, the other one will find ways and means to come and support. Now, boy, masani pakone jumediako. So into way any ultra tito way then brothers, then commandos ultra 1984 into Metro brothers they are two. Then the last one will give a better illustration of a kind of relationship between the two. Into Metro ultras, into commando ultra and a ultras tito. Une amitié sans limite. There's a friendship without limit. There's a nyonko fe do muntem no. Enya dia bibia betimi atete.
I'm trying to enjoy.
Okay.
But I'm a fast story no. I'm used to the word trained to send for.
Yeah.
And any define our friendship as some now.
Exactly.
Oh, can I watch him no? But nana jama kind of former.
Yeah.
Belgium.
Oh, okay.
Nana say oh enjoy na me can't say oh ya da brutal.
Oh, say nana you know. Say nana jama no boss.
Nana jama inshira.
Inshira. But no boss. Jola Kaba. Or the Messi men in one talk.
Nana do one who says here
one talk
okay
he's a fantastic guy. Very fantastic. Nana Osha when that's not une amitié or une amite mamia nesa une amite sans limite. There's a friendship without limit. Enti eya nyonkofa edidi mu from 87 edibesi imprempren. Enti se Genoa ene Sampdoria koba. Genoa ne Sampdoria no omo okro ba akoso. Ana omo fierce rivalry. Enti me sure say the ultras titos no omo beto nkra e de akomo mu nuanom wo France say chale entokwa na de yekom na mu ade. E de na si Sampdoria for omo relegation. Ana Genoa ebo de Serie A. Omo bo match na me sure say Genoa fans no omo the best race Sampdoria for ne say massa ntina mo relegation. And ebe man tokwa no ebu aye den. Se sa de a ene omo free Marseille, mo free France, mo meka e ho ne omo fan face so. And truly it got bloody. And Tokwasi was street move before game. The
police wanted this is proud.
Exactly. And Tino Munim the magnitude of day no in Tokwe Bekoso. It's no more requested for backup from France. Someone back here. And Tianusu Tidi Yachichini Pa. Yachi more at Yovana. Namienu every Marseille. Daka Genoa and Sampdoria. Free France every day. For Saudi way in Tia. So a friendship with Ali.
Who is this guy? I would love to listen to him every day. What? Tell Asaribori to drop his momo. I'm a family now, so in Sabeka.
But Fancy, you see, there is no way you will do good for one person. Nani Pakron were turning the back on you. Esa ni Pakroni edieng boniaye anameboa. So gratitude is always a must. And then appreciation, no, and also be a coin. And several other good deeds are sowed into your life. Now, say Ruben Diaz, Luis Diaz. I don't know if I can Ruben Diaz.
Luis Diaz. Names Diaz.
I think that the above one year, back on Diaz. Now we are Diaz. Says ZNS. Okay, so Luis Diaz. Diaz say, and a slot no who says so that. And I'm
it was so spectacular from day one.
It is because of the old dear one, Luis Diaz Nimua. Emma ni peja. When no born there, Sabin Kabebi o free nkwa kontimi mobi. O free wayu or Guajira. O pe Colombia baby here kesiye wopa. O yi miensa wayu count.
Wow.
Yeah. And to when no mo won the first and now when yakoshioko. He was scouted in
Luis Diaz.
Yeah. He was scouted in 2015. When it wasn't it anymore do kakra. Na that time no wa fun.
Command
dinner. But they could see that our burning desire be say born no opeso. And the reason why ne papa no or more kidnapping na atone so na ha no. The only football tutorials, the or train the ball, Emma 18 years no, will mostly be ne papa.
Sompa Sports.
Ana ne uncle ne de no fa no de ne co training de ne ba. But the oche ne se bo nie fa wabo ne papa no. So when you any better football training, and he has mostly relied on the raw potential no to do most of the things that he does. Oh. Kakra Atletico Junior ebe polish no obe nyenya stint, then Porto ebe bem, then Liverpool and so abem. Inti born na we e was all bono. Enyam pie wiye. So he's a coachable player with a lot of potential ayenta pay.
And he no that club
He no that club. Club ball no bono sa energy game no. It's utine pa.
Okay.
But he's also a player why as a cap. Ne cap na half full. Etu betime hwie bie gum. Ama cap no still ayema ana meboa. Enti club ama that exposure. He has brought something out of him. But bebrena ne due ne mu a se owama ne ho kwan. Into obi hu sa de ne bia no otimi tape in person your man so pie ni ehu how good he is. Ebi na slot eya ma no
because but on the some anymore na Barca for pe Renga Nico ne na we the third option.
Yeah,
he was tempted.
Yeah, so be joining. Yeah. So the issue is what Dutch coaches are with players, and now most Dutch coaches are with players, they are able to coach qualities to bring the best out of you. And the Dutch players need be individually, almost brilliant, but coaches need to me you see Donny van de Beek. Naturally, he's not an exceptional talent. But not hard to me, Yusuf Van de Beek. More the Dijuma, our Champions League, they went to the semi-finals. Yeah. This is the best example I can give. Okay. Luis Diaz, and a slot and a sanity. Then away he can dribble or speed. Then Adia Bakwa only me to take accurate shots from distance. Okay, fine. May I slot? I have seen this guy has potential. So on to me, mbo shot ni we train and sha. And the mame fanu nko enim. Enim hono no dina no bo shot na. He has a better chance of scoring. And the Shadrack Boame, Mame Luis Diaz statistics last season and this season. Nenya comparison no.
Last full season. And this season about five games higher.
There is one striking difference. And then the was no. Shot conversion. Last season, now the conversion rate percentage in 10%. This season, 38%. Unwa the check the average shot distance in yards. Last season, so bebo shorter on the average, maybe obebo no. 17.3 yards. And a slot at Teso by 4 yards or something. And about 13.5. So get him closer to goal. He becomes more productive. And now I say about season no. Wash 5 goals and ameboa in how many games? 5 games. Last season in 30 something games, or share 8 goals a pair. Inti aye coaching and I did the journey muno a day. But inti so otra baby I know the papa no comedian obey.
So we know the bar like the bat down say omo factors anymore the small details ni na mo analyze bibia. And
abroni ye throw in whole analysis ye kofa throw in coach. Throw na ya kojina ho ani afabo ni ato no. Omusha da kofa expert so ombe che ye kwan ya ye to throw na ye betime nya so mfa so. It helped Liverpool to win the league.
Yeah.
Stoke City, Rory Delap.
Yeah.
Ball go through Tony Cross. No, but the tower abe good.
Don't go in the tower. No, Waters.
Jonathan Waters.
What you go to
Rory Delap. Yeah, the towel about good touch line. Say, Bob could throw into not their people. And to Brony, dear, they are very meticulous. They leave no stone unturned. The minutest of details obey not their show. Enubi and Elbow Louis.
Whoa, Mike, me that say, me back Vera, so I was a Kwame America, former communications director, Americana Stars. Kwame, on Crown Stella Mayo. I'm for the messages banned by me basso na Vera Sebi I find it. Okay. Hazard Junior say Mike or that's a pass one kind of coach Eric Ten Hag and once Hazard Junior be Chelsea in Perban Sana Ten Hag very old coach. You into your Veras.
Fancy strikers in the Obian Ben Luis Suarez.
Sound
Obian Ben Luis Suarez in me opinion. Someone what J European golden boot 2 times. They free Messi Ronaldo in some. Hey, unprecedented.
That was Spain where be out.
Or England was Spain. And Omi and started on both football. No. na striker behind me nyesa na fa mfro mo nsam enye Messi na eji Ronaldo na eji but Luis Suarez come good them eji okọ Holland oji goal king wo ho oba England eji goal king oba Spain oba goal king inti Suarez na kire say ba be ko bi ma o numbers and the entire who strikers be na timi Messi bobombo ni ye
yes
the entire who sa there no
yes.
but Luis Suarez bobo ni ye e ma o numbers not just numbers e make meaningful impact. So for me, strikers need there. Luis Suarez. And we had them crowd and we need Palma. Then be now pay. So what I say, you know, Luis Suarez there will be. And we had them crowd and we say we had now my name is Sompa. No, I you know I wish you go. You know, I think say Luis Suarez will. But Sadia and a slot Bois Diaz no. Ten Hag nye bi Manchester United.
See how be message. I mean, I said it has no Facebook no. Maybe some the right message. Na me kind me person best as me bomb through where hand on your guesting or say here man. Na or say fancy. Ten Hag has lost it in bringing out the best out of normal players. And I said yeah na Mike more can only Diaz na and also now Pejabe.
Oh yes, I no. But not Diaz is so yeah so Babontia no pinpoint Manchester United problems. Anopa soundbite na boy no. He was pinpointing Manchester United problems or move. Say nimu wono nyashi they need to kill games.
Yes.
Say Manchester for ne pe obi oba pinpoint problems and ke befa offensive Di Maria. For Manchester United games, natural problems say Manchester United team nim. But they wanted someone to solve their issues for them.
Yes.
That's why they brought in Erik ten Hag. So he needs to find solutions to the problems. Now when I say all pinpointing no. And no here Manchester United for here solutions. Not problem.
There's all those are better than
problems. Say we need problem. Then I will their home. Every single time we say yeah, one in progress. In progress, we see that being. Once in progress, no, that being that NBC. Before sending your best statistics, you know how Manchester United signings on yeah. Obeka say, "Oh my, perfect signing. Or my addressing key players on GDS no more like in last season."
Na BBI under the recommendation of one Kasam.
Yes, start here. Dada was saying, I said they will do a BA one. And still, he keeps on pinpointing problems. Manchester United for here, Sadia no. Somewhere, say Shadrack Boy, no the sa conversion rate net toswa. Manchester United was your kituabi. Team of Manchester United was Rokakra. Eric Tom, Southampton, Monet, Ipswich, Mo. We cry ye book game now. Dear Omoya game him so Mu lose and as Mu winnie. Where we converting above expected. So here, Leicester City was roho, Arsenal was roho, Manchester City was Newcastle was Brentford was Aston Villa was your own Chelsea was Manchester United nam. Manchester United
most
yes. And if you look at this, I am passing Manchester United, they are failing to convert on chances are or more create no correct. But then as a coach, oh yeah, to make sure I know what to make you every hole. Bologna who the nice 6 years at the moment. Or by then I die no.
You raise a yin so power.
Then I die no.
And you're too early so.
There be any too early no. Pinpointing issues no. Abra won't Crawford make message man the amount. Ye come menu. Yeah, maybe last season no or co England you know. Say go menu way. Bruno Fernandes near who your man no Manchester United. Say I no case your way. And they are no case. Say wo bo Casemiro dia Manchester United for them party. But he's one sign or Moko Fanabano. No many had so more issues or me forward on sorted. Bene ye who we are talking of Nana. Before some Manchester United, no ball with Inter Milan about Champions League final. We saw the exploit around the year as we speak. Onana Manchester United for them periodiate. Consider or consider. Players are who ball Manchester United and care. Yes, but some be improving in nano or more performance. Either say or more performance no as stagnated and I say or more airdrop. Into onye Juma no say or pinpointing issues no. All the mobile year Juma. But they believe say they wanted the icing on the cake. Until now, they brought you into Branabe winning games. Championship for more. You can't say last 2 years. You can't say last 2 years. But still, the most important thing, oh yeah, then at the how much is another for that.
Ten Hag here ne pay ne titles be na wa gina. Every pre-match, every post-match, we won titles. We won titles. Mike, can you season here? Like Varas, sorry, I'll say. Where Patrick Champon says last year it was Chelsea missing chances, and this season Man United has taken over. They are twins. Now Okosra, we say they can't beat FC20 and Skady. You want him to solve problems? A big question. And we'll be saying
problem no nyas all pinpoint, you know. Na man you for no here problems are games now to me ball bonne say wonya goals ne there. If you are not scoring, enya there say we be winning games. Into create chances no. But because this season the chances are creating is only bettered by Manchester City and Liverpool more. But they are failing to convert. So that's the issue. Into one solve that issue, you know. Me can't Manchester United, me can't obi or play football. Say problem ni nie. Abra onya wan solve ye hu bibia. Solve the issue. Also, when they say Manchester United them Coventry or chance of creative.
Too early is under pressure to say.
Too early.
Only a matter of time. See, be sakeno.
And yet too early. Yet tiabet and a cast and a channel. Then time is so I good and so you say now. You say yes, sign quan goose now to me. So what then sign quan goose and what the bonny be to a dear Nina Mai. Into the other now you know that ya bro was out on what did yet tiabet and a channel. A man for started picking valuable points.
Sompa
to make sure say you are doing the right thing. On cassette a coin anymore. I bet coin now too late. Eh? Man City for no. You know him. Almost started you. Beka 20 matches are. Who will be a pep because I 15 winning streak in free. We had there were the amount of 15 games. And yet too early. That when I coco no wait me at was wako. Te hag in yet wanna be anti me come out. Oh right friend Diego Simoni. Let me say onim team now coach and players now when now on team use you yenim how I will see players in terms of defensive organization and all that. But when the system any players need crown now sign man now obono enye ne papa o team bought 5 defenders against Rayo.
Mohamed Simeone apempem na pa na
no hono dia sanity o
no hono za pa o
pastor di ni hono sanity
no hono pa
e so hair transplant
so ahye we go
the one no fa coach we because say na no ya Gallagher sha say bogos e be kakra de obete
because where the kind of football now obo ne players need crown na esa sometimes o release you omo no mutimi ball game that expansive football omo say goals ni bi defensively or solid in the teams and everything, but animu wono and no about testify. He needs to do the right things. And yes, season e corner bano was so bad she had no be a time the woman say Saturday go for no omun loses matches how omu feel ho. This was the first time in so many years omu lose one match omu feel. But tells you say so team no boys and the boys no kobo no mbona. They will get goals for him. Omu say goals next to me the mano. So I think say so really boys na boys no mobile say do musipe we e boss ania bompa ye ba akopɛ
there
opa Sunday mema Hansi Flick in win against Osasuna
ade
first 7 games we win won nipa oye bi was Ernesto Valverde
ana Tata Martino so
but Ernesto Valverde 7 games no win here no he won them the La Liga nearly go unbeaten Levent never show mo with Sa Ghana and Emmanuel nearly go meeting. But Nipa now winning first 8 games in 8 no was Tata Martino. He only won them the Supercopa de España.
Antima Hansi Flick was Pamplona.
First 7 were winning.
They say okay Tito.
And the unfam
Obama got to.
Nancy Sam Famomo.
Hey boys now.
Because
boys no mo bisa code no. Hey omonfa we and the matches.
Me also obi cry the message ba so for the Vera say can so say good morning boss. I'm a United fan but what my boss is saying is the truth. I friend Ismail Galilu. I am said the Ten Hag dinner na Vera say can.
Yes, so like if you are constantly repeating problems and not finding solutions, you sound like a broken record.
Ten Hag say first 2 seasons we felt players from their banana and yet now one kasa hope. But this summer, player back who cran wa manager and recommend it. Omu nyina signings on one kasa kaso pe. Lenny Euro, Manuel Ugarte, Truzexi, Wambim.
No,
Nusel Masrawi, and delete.
I think, sir, the problems everybody knows. The solution, we don't know yet when Nina Beba. But is it the Man United situation? No, too complex to pin it on one man. I feel almost so
okay, change structures and
me, I think this season, Ten Hag to me, this season now, it will be an enough time to conclude. Say he should be allowed to continue or not allowed to continue. But
well, he brought in Onana and sent our De Gea to pass from the back. He disgraced our Maguire, but same old story. 3 seasons now. The other source no there. That be 12 be abano ababekai.
11 pinch joint to attack Radim.
11.
Yeah, my men cry. Unfortunately, we will. Oh, beans are never come up and go be joint. Wow, what not attack Radim? There be a winning 11.
Oh,
maybe I won't dig over.
Mike, you're the quick man. I mean,
code near E6.
E6.
ACC 35 E6
ACC
35 when you dessert before dinner.
Okay.
Yamfa we nim prapra kwemu na yanu munsio.
Okay. What matter me that say? Na ye call Gingermid Dental Clinic. My catcher say kwen examination and consultation ewo ho. Na e bana say was no be so bone braces uyo bia. Obe so ye scaling and polishing and asa was no a root canal treatment and abe so ye wow brush you tita. Yana mo Jeffrey asie ba was sene swobu. Obe so ye fell no be so wash it one mu clean now your teeth whitening and one so tia Gingermid then say yen can't show sabamodian so be branches no or be a kuma say abe projantion quina will faso area ko bantama main stretch anymore won send faso a bronsana bank ewase a sro and a Gingermid aya juma 0559 139582 Gingermid and so abejo so time about meshano aya draw tatahwe wadwaso etu malaria fever se emoni peduano enya na ho dema pa malaria fever eko honamre na se betu an wonum atro aduane nya odeni nyina no wadro no aya time about mesha oba wa fafro oba wa ofofo oye lactating mother abani tuanu fo no a enya ma oba no onya above 12 years a emane num time about mesha ne bi oyo bema oyo ba obeso huni ema wase ebenyam wase kwan emo ye kuma bi kama wadro aye time aba mesha anase obeto ne capsules emu bi abeto biano enso ebeboa kama yenye na ewo pharmaceutical shops ni nyina mo 0244 417669 aya wallpapers and a wall pato and the blind curtains and a wo here bin so ato emfa ho and dudo bi abeso to bi asa wo tu bi aton no anya mfa so na se bi apene ba ko bi ani mienu bi ade adu djuma na AOP wallpapers eno enso enchen and aso okwa na sempo na so ye ho no and wo say wo calls dudo bi abeso to bi ano benya ya wo colors and designs e wo ma enom e ma deco e fefe ebiem aye best lamps or diaba ni TV backlight ewo ho wo self-rearing light and the furnace plastic wardrobes afei unya air diffusers flowers and wall clocks ni bia OP enso say yen kan cho say bra best spread no or duvet king size and the queen size ni nyina na ehyem ebo no so da fom kama adum PZ nana kwasi agman build na mu na benya no ana chronom barrier on the market edi enimhwe 0540 353750 Bafu Polo Nentad Niminasa Shane and no Bafu Polo say young cancho say all destiny now plesi before 10 a.m. By the close of the very same day Ubenya Uplesi after 10 so the following day on Sabeka a African print what a Pamu polo shirt round neck a V-necks and after make our Saceros Penny Biano or Pam Ediaman Kaftan or Pam Emma Anafi Buffalo Classics now yes our lapel tops and down what the mouth kicks and I saw them out shoe and in ano FPA and I saw your bar and I saw your bema unuma depam na so beso ne bafu polo so ya adwuma was say yan kan tro say hwehwe na kira kwan ewo aya henema kokko ben off Santase oboase kwan so 02496007 na oye delivery at the Ghana memo babia yanko break camera ye ba yen chekra ye ba efie enso ehuru yankomra
Sompa Sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120
makwa baba gentleman dental clinic yeduma bi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susum yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye fe no scaling and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi wo kasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down dome kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free total filling station na ya bronsan no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade enna so biem
na tell me about me see you ba queen why me say
bra said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fiefo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about me sha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria where do any time about mixture
anya nu go die na nu mato a wontimi anidie no where do any time about mixture edre anya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni fie dumienu ansa na obeto time about mixture edre ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time about mixture afi malaria fi be ada ni ziva ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom
Obusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja atom na rewu se be wo mi se abofra ketu a wanya 2 years aka dai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra ketu ayi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi kwafo anu ti kame ho ni ko hwede wo mbia African Spider-Man and Baby Sebo of Faith, but preoccuping who's African Jacks, what Baby Sebo of Faith, now secret to anything. Imboost herbal mixture, and only me secret. Now me yet to know how from. And a police me do what dance and say, many namin sunshine, namin sorry, a boosting immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental. Meet me the come on. I'm going to come with home so across your class, Metayale, I'm my latitude, meaning about. And yet, Nakoso. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going? Move from a cratching.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture, our pharmacy, and answer herbal shops. A pin for any Colombian if you do me, enum. FDA agitating katui at
so wallpapers, papata, OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry, say ye perhaps auto. Baby Bia Wian wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano, OP wallpapers, Afro, Yaman wallpapers, a match of blind curtains, a band of bedside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mar shapes, colors out Nina, Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweho, say open LED backlight, Eddie above flash screen a chia, and also OP, Ebemobi. So self ring lights, out do phone bishop, a OP wallpapers, and Ebema self ring light, OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo, GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom, our barrier, on the market and a DNM. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any South so for OP, our 0540 353750.
712.
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hitting fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed drugs every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. to the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now,
Here is to you. Your next big win is right here.
from 1st July 2024, dial *712# and password tickets as a group individual to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712#.
Voted by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. T&Cs apply.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Ɛyɛ sɛ ɛma nipadua nkwammoa no ɛnya hoɔden na akɔtia yareɛ ɛntwɛn yareɛ ansa na wakɔ akɔtɔ fa yɛ waduro na nom no abere biara Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwa so no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwa so akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Eyedro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum.
Hey, Super AC Bro!
High sense so never wahoto enyi peyo emra yewomu. High sense AC ena yenya abote aye said the beya ebetumi Ghana show no. High sense de woto a ye the free factory ye de be so fierce in sometime. Ye da sukra ya mamre ni mu. Eche efo aye papa na ntwe nyinam kanea ade baako a ewa high sense AC ho a ema mani je wo pa no eye gold face ene copper pipes na ye de aye no ena manu nti no ema AC no anwe na ache said the woda ni tie bia gidiba ejina ne na so 4-in-1 filter na ewo mu nti no oh me from a koji 23rd September akopin 28 6 days per Madam High Sense air conditioner. My sister to say who High Sense air conditioner. Your split and your floor standing. Maybe a nunyina who bet me at on the standard. Another investor home. How Nako High Sense showroom bia. Nako Jodie. High Sense everyday prices for everyday people.
Wo yemre na fe yemeto aso yeram e wo fie meza enso abanche nchobete akomia enso enkana yemra stories no so real quick na fe yemra na yemeto aso weekend the Ghana Premier League matches as bounce back chese e was ayede shisha so na baby ankomo no wono Chelsea ene korokodie na enra wote sana wo coach kasa an se o man tiase ama o man nyige mana so man twa na life ene sana te dia o kasa as fun anasa sanro ko support anemum omonso emma kwan emma return leg sebekwoso okumasi o sebekwoso oboase o omoma kwan emma the FA enso embroadcast yesa games nti weekend nyame ya doma baseke Holy Stars enemy Diema afa Nations ebo house of folk ewo ya Brankesi Young Apostles enso wenchi ebo Diamond Stars wenso ya no da ayebono side derby afa yawo Summertex enso Vision ebebo Brokum Chelsea ene Santoro ko Brokum Legon Series ebo Karela Heart of Lions and Gold Stars ebebo Ansana Bechem United enso any Dreams enso game no eno enso abasona yeni kantie coach Ajamano no and the coach Vision so unbeaten run now so far unbeaten run our coach Ajaman and so can some kakra yentino.
I think the boys have done a yeoman's job. It's not easy to learn new things and be able to apply. It's not easy to go into a new environment and be able to get the kind of success that we have been able to get. So I laud my boys for making sure that, everything that we're teaching as a technical team, they're taking it and they're taking it to the field and it's giving us the results we want. Of course, every team would want to win all the 3 games, but to go unbeaten is a huge feat in the Ghana Premier League. So we're very happy for that. I think.
Yes, I know a coach, and I'll tell you, Rajman so attaining some to Gadiafa, a Yomodianum. I have been some more board at the defending champion, Summertex, on Summertex, and so much Ebasono. I ain't here Vision FC, one coach.
I'm actually expecting a very difficult game. Summertex is a very, very good side. They have a very good coach. Their players are very well trained and drilled. So going away to them, I know it's going to be a very difficult game, but Vision also has a different mentality coming into the Premier League. We have a different project, and the mentality that these boys take into the games is amazing. You saw us play Legon Cities. We'll go down, but these boys came out all guns blazing in the second half. They made sure that they got the equalizer and nearly got the winner as well. So we have a different mentality. Yes, we're going away. Yes, it's a difficult grounds, but we're going there with a very positive attitude. We want to go and win. So whatever points we come out of from Summertex, I think is going to be a huge, huge point.
Yes, now just no reference. Nana Kukuachman out is you're getting some Emma or Bromo ball. Summertex, our winner artist will run and so say Omo Konoma Kwako Bonus said also Musiba Fay. You're calling opposite number and no reference. Nuruddin Amadou on fixtures. I'm say right from Africa, back from Africa. As a matches no abobo so anu reference Nuruddin Amadou beso chese sankebia F4 krabet me hu bibia kebebo apa because as a Summertex fixtures no abobo so pa.
What is worrying is that Sunday matches in the way na no na. I think that the authority should have done something about it because Super we are winning the whole ball. That was our ball. Karela. Oba was our ball. The distance is fine. We have been playing. So it's very tiring. I think that something must be done about it, but that always stand or no. When they match in the I think that we need to go all out and then to restart.
Yes, I know Summertex one coach Nuruddin Amadou say you're dating some Emma Femame Gold Stars and so coach from Pon Manson now and also say fixture scheduling scheduling nice o coach Europa omo complaining oba Ghana so coaches no complaining since matches na tata so pano no crowd in the space of week baby Gold Stars ebe traveler kono e kwane wo pa eno na ama aye coach from Paul Manson e dey won some kakra and so Emma Semcho for yentie coach Manson.
It's not been a fair fixture. We are playing 3 difficult games in 7 days. Heart of Lions away, a difficult game. Summertex away, also another difficult game, and then we come to Bichim, also another difficult game. It's not good for us because if you look at the distances we are covering, look at Bebieni to Pando, and then from Pando you have to also play on Wednesday at Samraboy. Imagine if you put the 2 distances together. It's not, I wouldn't say it's not fair, but for us, I think it will be a bit difficult for us.
Yes, I know I coach from Paul Manson now say you're doing some Emma na just offer be any air kwando uria also but midweek and so I Samra boy masa also ka distance ni me nyina bo be said am so free ko e Australia wo fa form no sa na TNT kwan wa pa ti am say matches na bobo so me ba ne bossa couple and so de no so medium so far omuluzu game also unbeaten run out so far medium and so choking no reference say ne bossa and so kan hon sem kakra.
Like you told, the excellent feeling is inside our team. Perfect moment for us. We opened very well competition in Premier League, and this is something what is always important. Especially we didn't concede in the first 2 matches 2 clean sheets for our goalkeeper. This is also one thing what is giving us more confidence and more positive energy and really very good atmosphere is in the team.
Yes, and no, I am media coach in the Bosa couple. Now, to say, you're gaining some MIA to for me, Barbara Kum Chelsea, and a Santoro come match and a snowman before. I'll crab in a fro, and so say, young country and one a bush meeting, Quano Dunga, and more over some diffo papa being quino, and more peer soft manner, paise, ta, what is some power, Yakran, so massa. Won't you try and getting it to a Chanaka, I just say, be a near cancer, a cocoa. Dianum and nature so train and wo pro no jonam ni nyina no pebiaria and fufuo no mutu ne brankonum no so we program bia ba so be serve e wase nso ma wa kwabena fro enso e wo trede ahimfenachi wono ma pe 0599503609. The luckiest I say quote no star 712 hash na just say auto take it star 712 hash auto take it from 1 Ghana equasi 5,000 Ghana cedis one kasa to me told here unu nua bitimi kabom ekuo mutimi kamom na just amonso no majimu take it our branding nyina no and so the luckiest and so adaromanti jodie 30th of November and a grand draw and so baso in boostaba mechano police ni edro way and so draw and support you immune system amanya do wodo no a fight e de atiano bomodi anso be pedro no bi an mentwa nyare ansa won nyare a utiminum yare anso ba utiminum onom na koyu ya de ba menjanum kosonom na muaw na police ni adro no enya oni pedro no madwuma ana make kawo se imbust pharmacy no ye bia ne kese pa ho no enya ba ko asem eye wholesale nko a and ntimo mo bia over the counter mo bia mo drug store and as pharmaceutical shops no obeso tu no bi koton ani nyina no eye imbust pharmacy ana wo ko omo wo ko de offense so ekwan ni so 0246 208496 na chese onim penfo no enso enkasa yes mezana onho ye de traffic what time pa kafra ne obi etoka wo de na wo ton so koto fo to mi so ato
let me say enano pa wa obefa Bantama High
Sompa Sports.
You are reporting was obey
Sunday, Friday.
Forget
Mondays, Fridays, dear Chromadia.
Forget. Now, fancy on send me UCC alumnus. Na Ashanti regional chapter na say Mike away dimuntinti mai. Na me say me vaku hola. Na nyame aduma wochina. Ewo banners. Vaco Alumni Association, University of Cape Coast, Selkroom Connect, Alumni no ye share banners, more by way and you see can be Bejana, BB, SBD, Nanum, Nebishia, or now for 4 who are my day. Ache, it's in Amiad China, 28 September 2024. Ewo banners, we UCC new kwa, maybe our Vaco Mukakra, Badaroma, Saturday 2 p.m. Yunu, Ewo, banners, yes, say Achesa. Iti numbers wo wase a mubetima hwe na wotimi adjoin na opeso babia na wotimi abama na kama ntimi dimu nyina mboko bi oni ansare boadu ai yankwe e shemu jesi pa fancy I think sir I share the same sentiment with Frimpong also with distances when it comes to the Ghana Premier League ni the way and your city here, but unfortunately this is what the system has given us and you need airlines elko baby any o and I say free baby any besina kwa sama boy yeni airlines free baby any besina kwa pando. Do you know say when you want to move from Kumasi to Tamale this is to be a flight and offer to Accra asana abesend wako Tamale sometimes kwa utranya ya unya straight Kumasi to Tamale from here
esa unchatai.
What I say? Unya Kumasi to Tamale straight from Kumasi Airport. It would be a unya. Unless say you go to Accra, then you move from Accra to Tamale. So share even Kumasi to Tamale and Kebet ma fan one time they are kono. You have to go through Accra before you can get to Tamale. And you might also bear with the airlines. Maybe you munya a lot of customers from Kumasi to Tamale, and then it also boils down to the amount of money you pay. Because you have a ticket in boarding bar, flight ticket in the boarding papa. Because even when you need a round trip from Kumasi to Accra or Kwabano, one trip to make 3,000 for a round trip or Kwabano. It's very expensive. It is already a layman, no 3,000 cedis. No her Tamale no Kumasi Kwai no her Hanehana. na fancy o hwe na ofa ba say e be no 120 and e be no 2 million o be no the 2008 na she baby no the call. What am I say? And we don't also have trains here. Because ka train here adwuma ka F Airlines ne bo eden but ka trains here active wo kromo ase a ka bia ka all pando yi come be fa train me boa e bia first class a check round about 1 hour 2 hours they will be in pando. Then from pando they also get a train e bia come back na okra a training no. When they finish the game of pando they will train the next morning, prepare over there, pick up another train to Summer Boy. Then from Summer Boy they will come to Baby. It's kaka ebia from Baby to Pando omu bedi be because from Baby going to Pando my ko ba be fa Kumasi ana me boa na wakofa nkran na wabekofa ho ekwa na. So imagine say from Hokra to Kumasi you say, from Kumasi to Nkran you say, and from Nkran to Pando you say. On betime di be 10 hours to 11 hours. On bobo na wi. Owie ye also from Pando na also ko Summer Boy, from Accra to Summer Boy. When you Pando to Accra mpo. Sa Accra do ba bedru. But from Accra to Summer Boy, be 23 hours.
From Pando a no aba this of a fa baby any one na dia asabe it means so okọ obetimi dia so when your distance na mic dia man na wa ma ya hwebi and say go stars ekọ Pando area onya on connect bia amfa nko Samatex Samra Boy Street. This was about back to baby no be fa home ko. And this is how the system has created for everyone. It will be a be because I believe sir if airlines are very expensive and we have railways less expensive with a touch of class. On say railways your first class, your second class, with a touch of class, working consistently and doing some of these things. Me, I can tell you say also the come on. Yeah. So if you had more of those things there, over for baby no one for Kumasi, then you go to Koforidua. No one crying. Then no one go Pando. Na Pando. So from 9 hours 32 minutes. Okay, so me sharks and cabet me a conjure magic boy kakra. Maybe from Pando to Samra Boy near say.
There's the route on Betra. BBN to Pando, Pando to BBN. Okay. I'm more yet return journey. So BBN to Pando no 9 hours 32 minutes. No move bow Pando we are. I was almost answer back to BBN midweek no. Omoba BBN be prepare akobo midweek no. Oh Summer Boy. Na say no baba na say we just some few hours to play. Nti omobo eyi we are Heart of Lions ni we are. Dem me susu ne say omobo we ya no mbesi kwan so. Normal back to BBN. Then or just maybe a day to prepare for the Samatex game because Samatex game na no obesim ebi a Tuesday na nwumre no de akọ Summer Boy entina na nka me bisa say so after Pando match no away no omunya route to be from straight to Summer Boy no be complicating your mama because of free Pando na obankran they have a decision to make either so mo kwa kofa Cape Coast akofa Kapradia ana omo fa so from Accra to Summer Boy no Accra to Summer Boy na two route either so obefa Kumasi de na obefa Central region ho de akọ so mo befa Kumasi a na bebo mo no makofa bebi eni no mo kom bebe Central ho de na mo ho wa yeah Central ho wa ti wanya no fokra na say so obefa Kumasi ko ti ofa no ane kwan na okọ bebi eni no a ji se bebi eni na mum na be sa aboa bebi eni so a gwam so ofa go so okay e cho bebi timi ko fa se e ko wrem e ko pin wo Summer Boy ho you can use that route and go. What I say? Wow. It's in America say if the whole system is working, any day now no eba e a say ano eshi no. Kadodo na wo kuruma say na nke movie to and fro a. Nke railways ahodo the teams are not Mr. Ghana Premier teams ni bebremre why? And it's a Samatex share Summer to say me take anything away from Samatex. So Samatex share Go Stars. I said I say wanya na ho de no so de ma e bia Samatex and that Stefa opposition no. And this is what raises concern because all koi obeto fuel obeto nye fuel ketwa in and out hotel omobeda aduane omobedi and the fuel no so ton ya na enum se nsuo no minim on se na no de video bi beto akwa no sesa nom no
When is a day, now in the mic, yes, is a fool, let me say, Otta. So, Commission thank him on. I want to be better. I give me say, Wahua.
Oh, I can't say son of no. What no was a son of
Chroma.
As was a son of so buses like that.
Sompa Sports.
Oh, yeah, you can help. Some buses I can see a care and 1 to 4, no better Philip, and 1 Philip be about 3,000.
Hey, debut.
Oh, no, bet me up
okay, so be switching up the same one. To say be a team buses na class, say be a Ghost Stars bus. What so failure?
And no crown, I mean issue because once a club no why your budget said then I'll because some.
Oh, that one they understand.
The issue near Akomia, baby, yen near. Oh, travel not less than 9 hours. Eddie Akokpando. Oko Druk Pando na. You have less than 24 hours for a full reset. Next, all they recover. Now they are game no. Into Obo game ni we are. Then I was also see nice so ever back to BBNE. Another 9-hour journey. So in the space of Yemfane say, or the Yemfane say 72 hours. Emu 18 hours. Or the 2 kwine.
By road.
Players need enough rest and then enough preparation. Now omu we are. No more sound so called summer boy. At the same time, summer test bebo fee. On the vision bebo or summer boy. Then they will play BBN Ghost Stars before they travel Akobo or next game. Until it gives summer test a certain advantage. But game when any the original date anytime or more schedule and any bebo. An arrange or a rearrange fixture. And they say ye to the asheda and the other asheda say. So no, I think say the competitions department of the GFA come betimia hwemu ye when it would have been appropriate. Now come meet 2 teams in halfway because a home game for some artists there. But you don't inconvenience Ghost Stars in this manner. Yeah. Oh yes, sir. No one didn't ye. I didn't make us. So what yes said na already winning baby away beko. So if you are doing a rearrangement of a schedule because you are postponing game beer, you look out for week beer at least omumie no the travel distance ni munwa enti yem fansha
tinke beer to say we can say be a Ghost Stars aba doma bi ana aba kundu aba kumasi
we and say Ghost Stars ebebo be chem wo fie
yes
enti kobo be chem we na no we no kwasama boy na sama teso bo wo huma na so I think I was saying community because exactly any certain try a standing game unti and the ba be share weekend then we forget about the other factors that could inure to the benefit or otherwise of the teams involved.
Well, General Jonas, attached me Jonas Senior, Junior, no engine or US, no senior ni. Jonas from Pando to Aboy, passing through Obuase, through I am free. It's better than through Kumasi. Through Babiani.
Otoba be fata kwa kwine so no akowura eye asankregwa nti ofa ya mfrewa no afa asankregwa no de rem and so e kwan da ho but still you will not travel any distance below over 400 kilometers no obetu kwan abro and it will go beyond the 9 hours
where the crowd be bre
over 9 hours
only make a case for the amount of money they are taking enra Mike we are no ne Chelsea for getting explanations as to one person game ni betwa. And no more reasons of stating here say omo truck ma F ni say games na omo dey must other TV stations na free to earn and one to say they need a deep briefing into the said matter because omo games no amount for stadium and omo nyeska. It will say now you need free to air I be a bit mati di panoso. Eti di panoso na also omo sunya financial gain. Compensation out of it. What did they mention as no? And then nipa na oye station in was benefited from on only club my club no crown on your day
because we no contractual agreement to be him.
So you see this argument. Now these same clubs will be needing finances to do such rounds meanwhile no
Sompa Sports
be trying to match. Obe free baby any akọ Sama boy Mike be trying to match. Obe free Sama boy akọ free be trying to match. What is he getting from it? But meanwhile, why budget that dawo? But budget now why na kotofu oni ade but also nya bibi e dey mfa so kakra be betika ne so.
And Sankare say last season e bia nanka start time say yi na clubs na nya bibi kakra from ne dey.
You understand?
Oto was bare no obi yi but onya hwim free.
And these are legitimate cases I'm even looking forward to. Say ye betimi ama clubs na nya sika bi ama omo so ho atimi ahe omo bebre ate omo ka so Mike ye den a ba bi omo ko beko said the old Carlo, you will go. But it's all a matter of the finances you've budgeted, though. But a canosu bebem, and where are they going to get the money from? This season, I ask myself, where your clubs no more from music can free. Say get process name ma anaka krabia FND bobo mu get 3. See financial league na say and our obedi league be ma bibia him fan omo ko first get free. Jo moton no makofa bi diaba. And I'm still stating it clear. Say the TV issues, the free to air issues, obi any problem say Ghana ka betimi ma obi anya access to the league. Nobody has a problem with those things. It is not about the coverage, but it is about what the clubs are also demanding. Because the Kodoko decided say, "Oh my FNI betwani game." Obey you know the YouTuber then abeno. Ebi antokwa na ne beko because almost say at Congress there was nothing discussed from Brekum Chelsea stands. Almost say at Congress there was nothing discussed about the TV right. When it comes to free to air for now, and I say stations are you animal movie Ghana Premier League, you know. So if there was no discussion around the Ghana Premier League, you know, with the financial gains attached to it and the means attached to it.
Well, I'm saying citizen Ras Agbeko at the bar Facebook. I'm saying okay, it's natural emergency. I'll say, Fancy, please make this correction. From Kumasi is straight to Koforidua, not passing through Accra and straight to Pando.
Okay, we're for Koforidua na Pando.
Okay. I'll say passing through Accra and straight. Mention in now when you see you. I'll say not necessarily passing through who. I mean, obviously make you point back.
Free and cry Pando, and it's all fahu. Son of a sort.
Okay.
Pando need I think it's a Pando or hoy.
Okay.
Whole route in the war another airway in Tabian Pessoa.
Oh, okay.
And Pando hoy.
There's a pine uncle 1 mount.
So Uncle Fahu and Wako Pando, that is
Pando.
What he wants to see.
Okay.
And one in the opposite.
Okay, from Kumasi straight to Koforidua.
Because me name say ho, keta.
Okay, my two as a Pamagna Martina, as I say, so from Kumasi straight to Koforidua, don't pass through Accra and straight to Pando.
Yeah,
that's what for Koforidua straight to Pando.
Yeah. Oh. So that is
okay. Well, me samba mo so me ba Chelsea e no so na Shak Mame Zakaria Fusaini na Zakaria Fusaini on kwan mo fa so mo prepare na o mo ne koroko abo weekend no yente Zakaria Fusaini.
Yeah, games against Kumasi Asante Kotoko, it na seen enemy na very tough. Because we have expectations from here and supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, so more expectations here na was so. And okay, you home. I think say most you know, to me every matches in because the previous matches I think say about draw 2 and you 2 the last 4 games I about until okay a gamer we season so the first home I boy am more brekum and playing our first home game brekum and I think say supporters in the best expect more from us and okay preparation I yes we go so na we are ready say ebema supporters na me agina me bo Sunday.
Yes, yemre na fe yemeto so Express Group mo besa mo call ayama no ne kwoto amadesua so school for no mo ma we SHS for fresh ones money Express Group enkasa na omanya schools ni bi ewa ma no ne courses ewo mini programs awodo ewo abetimi akwa beso further education and so ewa ma no ne scholarship say mo ma we university mo besa mo to aso nyina no Express Group ejo visa ma o take it in over so Canada, US, UK, Australia, and Germany. Kumasi ya udro duma railway babia police station wano omo benho ana meka se eye labor safo runabout on so benya omo nan crying Carnation First Light 055555 0067. Jean's toothpaste and Jean's toothbrush. And so at that's what Ghanaian market and so a budget pa. Fabichu say Jean's total care, Jean's whitening and a Jean's herbal. Our natural herbs and unti emonum eyesham a bow gum and by Emma Seno and so enya wadema pana ball somebody free gems in now leftovers ebeko our bra use Jean's one toothbrushes out or duchess and a prince and a princess and a duke nina no and so our market and so upe biato and so enya na Kulun Ghana Limited one so ba drew a Araba bazen tablet and no ene besiesu ebemo wase abenyam wase kwan bemo ebe kuma become ebeche nenso na etagu en kan from bani nyina no ba eno ebejai afe oye bema so awode no sexually wayemre ewo mpaso no eye Mr. Q and ebebuaw low libido and slow erection nyina no wadro eye Mr. Q na mom sa wodwonso na wote yaw odwonso o problem odwonso na bisa so good shots ni ma eye hunchun capsules and ebeboa the same time ebesan boaw ama wonso no watimi abo prostate enlargement and so about prostate obebon ba na afi and yoma aye fine ediama pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mo 0244 275429. Yes, I am not so enough. What's it? Go stars for now. I said,
I'm send a message. I'm to quite 10 hours. I'm for Koforidia Hona 10 hours to Pando. And imagine in the space of less than 72 hours, they will take a 20-hour journey.
No, what factor traffic
journey? Okay, cool. So traffic, the nature of the roads. So what I say, more trouble and more trouble. Good. And the inconvenience in the way of no. Roughly, they will spend in excess of 24 hours on the road just to get to Pando and return. Or buy a nano. No, I sound so prepare. Eddie, I call a summer boy. Akobo Samates. We are the ones who crave for quality football. Fancy football, no so bra. Especially abrafo na am ka jet lag. What's abrafo am ka jet lag? Ye ne entu kwan jet.
Ye ne bus lag. Wo go no offer flight from Manchester to Liverpool. No offer me abalad usu. Oh, danger. Pep muso sanka da kwedo mo ba. Danger ke do mo fie bi akra tu e bi ani. And I said
omo. Because anyone never be decided, there will be somebody who is responsible for their health and safety will be decided. And the security aspect, the woman I dream course on the say. Samates nim say, Go Stars nim say. I was so best saying call now on a Samates kobo midweek. Into a buck pandoni we are. The likelihood say obey free her immediately after the game no was raw. And I acquaint to have the best more kwemu. What is the security aspect of it? To cater for say omonye exposed to robbers and now nipa bonye phobia more kwan so beto ashe. So some of these things me say yeah mami international share games in some fan to hold. Let us consider a lot of factors, especially engage this class.
Me so finding out from a good stars mami say be o ma try some more rich competition committee for say be o betimi be
fancy o manya ye about out. But the point is time now we no rearrange fixture. The wire that an original there whole. But when to the asheda. So this is the time you need to consult.
As a punish
stakeholders, consult them. Oh, Mamachi, you say the base muye okay. Oh, you say the base muye. Then they will give you a common ground here. Baby. Then you meet each other halfway. Near finding a better solution. Football here in Nani.
On a boss that I call to climb more. Mafa Quine so. And the summer boy Quine there still now.
10 hours now, Mr. Bodu can. Say, some work quanos now be far qua, will be more than 10 hours.
What's it?
Say, some work quanos now be a case study, will be more than 10 hours. My free massive 5 p.m. Thursday, me drew some boy 4 a.m. Friday.
Ufi kumasi and you
5 p.m.
And I could do the following day
4 a.m.
Almost 24 hours.
Me car
12 hours rather.
Car me record time exactly 1:30 a.m.
Baby, I can security in some labinio.
And imagine that time here in a one no. Na back near double. Na in a one. There's here two first one but two.
I want a jacket car.
Opani. Engino Kwano and the way Tiano and Busan was almost years and Marino or Busa questions I didn't be see teams no because maybe I would take them out chef no see I can say the real estate what grounds maybe I would them our car papa crash of a quine as well oh to me cause they will quine yet you need a whole knee potholes your man who in that kind of so a quine is on a man with me boba beam the first time I any boss calls our bueno who you trim dust in the crowd my with me body you know what to say yes as I can dinner for some few minutes and son of us to us can home yes and then never tells out my call first time and easy some boy kind of work easy easy
na ya re ne hye me ho da
e be yi na ba
me them I think say 2 weeks or so
wow
yeah
kwan na bo
enu ntipa
na na bo me dia keka ka ho e so ka ho e bo me
some boy for no tina summer test for no many a times I na me bo mo baso for no mo ye
eh because no almost
maintenance how be your boss
because from Samurai boy no be sen ko na relugu wo be sen ko bibie ni wo be sen ko
na artists so ka ho o ma se me o be kan kuzen
bi o mo be skipe sa I am free asankagwa route no no makofa bibie ni sehwe omo makwan no mo ye se nanse ya me ko sehwe asafo ekwan ne de o ma ye bebre na
nice
so that one bibie ni
so be asa kwan so be connected ko ho there
omo betu kwan in the space of 72 hours omo betu kwan more than 20 hours
bas na kwan nyina
their safety their security and even the fatigue aspect
anti san kebi o the team no kodro san kebi o direct no
I said there onyama eduhwan
mama tebara say and it said an kebi o kodu na bi o akope o teba bi relax dun for da
but time na akoro de rest no san hebo ni die ba na mo ma da no afa na bi no so yi na ni so ka nim e de asema ba
if we had good roads, we had good train systems. Because some of these things,
madam for MPP ni ne be frewa ka che o say.
Madam for MPP ni.
Year of roads here women. Yeah, kwan ni bebre ntinya abotre.
Madam for MPP ni.
Me kan asem ne dia ma o be fra.
Sa one boy o kra o ma ye nyoma ye se nkomo ye kwan ba ye se nkofo bi se nya obi na ye se be kwan momo. Ti kwan ne momo.
Some passport.
Kwan de. Oh, sasa ma boy kwan mo bie mu anka doctor ye.
Doctor is a true one.
It's a cheap person.
Oh, penny. And
I no the business.
Who be abedi ani monyam de ma anye.
Eh,
opani.
E vera sasma okay.
Oh, man come did somebody come some of did komo.
Me ni na chine.
They call him their god o.
Tinkan senche so ye.
Oh, ogu kwan so mo da bia se futuru wo so a. Atai bia van te be 5 no ba be guso. Ade nsuo na das na ba fom. Ena mbuza na say na o ye ne se nko begu. O se omo te so nipa ba nipa mienu o ma musa semates for no bi o omo wo krom ho no normal nkomo ame no omudi ma me na me ko ho no o ye aduane ma ye ko e no sa o ye a wachi wo side o onne bo be sa story ni bibia say yesi ya biem so wonya nko aye ba yesi nya ona bia be gya ni munyam
Fancy when you really sick no ma club to kwa ya kwa nyehwe me ne virus any opportunity but sa trip no form Abidjan to Yamoussoukro no
hey emeka Cote d'Ivoire for kwan wa ha o me ba me chere wa de me chere wa de ti no me za ti Cote d'Ivoire be ye dia be mistake Cote d'Ivoire way back 2010 me chere wa de me kan sama chere o me chere wa de o me say way back 2010 so no ba na me free ba ye akoye adwuma ho nyina ba niable sa time bomb na to a wote o se kodoko ma wote sa agana kasa wo Mike omo kwan no those times omo no cables omo use aye de no wosoro no omo cables na ti se me ha ana wise ni nyina gunti ente no aka se bi ensu ato aman from afama ate why no ye one omo kwan no death ni say no that say
yes
tie ntutu
Obo okade year be
me say 2010 since that time be sinam na okase ye ka say ye trouble da ko ba be friend ni able na Xmas nti ase ye kwa point and ko ni masa wonam kwan no so aka no o ka na dede wa ase no wonam kwan so a won tehwe
na me girl no koi wa ma be yo tia ni ka bi si no
na mo se mo fa ntokwa no girls pina kodiwa former pina omu dwane ba Ghana for na nyenye mo ma ne bebe
o me de o ba o koi me hu ni bi o man tene nka
kafra
afọ sa se na sa wo inside hono dia before so point can you say nkola ni ko school ba ya say first ko school ye school a ya say GFA for ko na 20 ya say o ma yo mbibia wi nto samra fie yeah na 20
say na deadline that's one
na deadline that's all
and the can what could details
o ma ko details na deadline that's all o ka final squad no ka bibia because team manager say wa yo mbibia wi
after he has finished the exams
or try was seen
yes we was in Friday
and we come the following
Saturday
but he was out of the camp for how many weeks or
for that period no
the exams no he was some period na weeks
say a month yeah it will be difficult for him to be reintegrated into the team
it will not be
so on the way sit here one say your period bia ebianka our camp na omojai no akotro no aba our camp no omojai no akotro no aba 3 weeks kwa akomia is enough yeah ntenyo maybe I say minim the explanation a FF1 and the mom but I'm only preempting
okay
say ebia in command be say coach no Desmond Ofei on the program and our plan for every player for camping purposes any camping periods 1 week is even enough for a coach to have enough time with the player inti ebia say 3 weeks 2 weeks a player nini hono it might affect plans a coach no and so the man so
yeah be sure so Mike me that say ma me fa me course no
from Brekum almost say we cranya warning a caution and as advice almost say game na ye bo Sunday no almost streaming wo baby because FF1
no YouTube cry
enti almost srew wo ba behwe bi se wo kotoko se wo ye ankra se wo di phone ba na wo ye se wo ba be streaming a omom penisa omunim die ntia game no omom pese omo ankasa kra na omo bo ho no omo be streaming because if any throw sen komo be streaming dia komo ja omo ba omo nya hwe enfefe no ntia efe streaming a wo na oba be streaming to
yeah my tell me that say I heard Qualitac Dental Clinic juma ewo patase omo eben Vegas Qualitac Dental Clinic kwenekoye cleaning and polishing teeth whitening orthodontics treatment and dental implant crown bridges and abesa wo show say kakana about dodomo be see two cinema hono obeko Qualitac Dental Clinic my catch say patase main stretch no 0538 250078 quality akabejo so Boris Beef chicken akoko nam anu oton halal akoko no dudu bia be se woto enam no part bia wo pe bia no we enso Boris Beef chicken full chicken thigh chicken wings and a fillet ni nyina no obomo bi ato Bantama High Street on the Presby sorry edi enhwa so market on so kwa benya bi ato 0544 444453 Yamfa call say 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello caller.
Hello God.
Yes sir, so for one yet you.
I'm a do advance already.